share this Google Chrome control. Yeah. Today what we have decided is, yesterday we have completed the search employees page, and we have a search button, reset button, and we have filtered the response with the request transformations. So today what we'll start is, we'll start with the employee creation page. Oh, sorry, it should be in employees flow, right? Employees flow, create employee. Okay, create employee. As usual, I'll remove this headers and all these things I don't want. And I need to drop an heading component. Create employee. Okay. So in this create employee, now what should be the first component I need to use to create an employee? And before adding this create employee, I would like to add a navigation from the previous page, from the search page to this page. Okay, because we are in one flow, we have to do. So here, search employees is the first. Okay, then in the search employee, I will add a button. Okay, to use a button component, what do I need to use? A toolbar. Okay, in this toolbar, I need to add search employees. I need to add a button component and drag and drop. Okay, what is this? First is for the search, and this is for the create employee. Create page, create button. If someone clicks on this button, it should navigate to events, and it should navigate to OJ action. It should navigate to create page. So we have already have the create page. Navigate to page. So I'll click on this. Where is the create employee flow start? Create employee. This is the page we were moving. Okay, and this is the flow, because you will start with this page, and when you click on this live, you will navigate to this page. Okay, now in this page, what in the create employees, what I need to add? You are supposed to create an employee. So which component you will use to create an employee? Someone has started working. Ishwar, I guess.
Yeah.
What did you use, Ishwar?
We need to use form layout, and in the form layout we put all this input text.
Yes, just tell me the steps, okay? So that others will also understand what you are trying to do. Okay.
And then we use input text.
Okay. Input text. Input text component. How many fields you added? So we have, like, consider
First name, last name,
yes, first name,
first name,
and
email, phone number,
first name,
and
last name, and email. For email, what you have chosen, Ishwar?
um, I chose only input text, but I
Yes,
thought want to
that is fine. You have chosen anything is problem. Anything is not input.
okay,
There is one more component. Just want to give. I'm choosing email component. Okay.
okay,
uh, Understand, we will see the difference of choosing an email component over the text component. Okay, we will come to that, but here I'm selecting, remember I'm selecting for email, an email component, And then for phone number, again, I'm selecting input text. Okay, phone number, and we have a department, right? For that,
Yeah.
for department, what we will choose, everyone. For department, we will choose an input text.
Relation,
Something.
we can have a relation or
Why relation? How relation will work here? It is not a table, right? Something.
Because that department
can
should
we have a
exist
See,
page
already.
like
in Fusion or any form, if you submitting any
List of values.
employee, hello,
We
List,
provide list of
list
values.
value.
yes, list values. So that is what we need to use. Okay, so for that we have one component which is called single select. I'm introducing a new component to you. It is a single select. Okay, uh, for this department we will use the single select, and for the job also we will use the single select. And what are the next two things remaining are
Service.
let's arrange this one in a layout format. What a form layout, right? Increase the two so that it will not come down. Okay, and this is this, and a salary component we will add. Okay, salary, I'm choosing a number, input number. Okay, and if you want to add one more field, suppose if you want to create an additional field in the table and you want to add that field also, you can choose. I will create one more field if it is required. So how do you add a one more field is like you can go to the business object, employee, just for your thing. I'm adding, I want to introduce a one more component which is a radio button. So for that I'm adding, otherwise it is not at all required. I'm adding one more field, uh, employment type, or gender also you can add. Okay, gender, I'm adding one more field which is a gender, and it is text. Okay, okay, fine. It is male or female, we will pass. Okay, so this is one more field I have added to the business object. Now where is our flow? Create an employee. Okay, now so here I will add one more field which is related to the gender. Okay, the properties, radio button, I want to introduce you a radio button. Set. Okay, it now to use a radio button, you select the radio button and select the properties. It will show the option 1 and the option 2. If you select this option, a value option 1 is male. If you pass if you select male, the value will be 1 M. And what is the another value? Just go to the data, just add another value. Okay, and the label is female, the value is F. Okay, that's it. If you select male, what value it will go? It will go M. If you select female, it will go F. Okay, so this is a radio button set. You can select one of the value, and if you want to arrange this in a row layout, just click this one. So it arranged in a row layout. So now it is, and you need to modify the name of this radio button set to gender. Okay, you can. So now we have the form components and we need to give us a meaningful name so that end user will add it. Full first name. Wait a second. This is last name. Email, already it is email. Phone. This one is a single select. The label hint only I'm changing now. What is department? Job. You can mention it, whatever the. It's a salary component. Okay, and the gender is gender. Fine. So you have a form layout. So end user should enter these values. So and then you end users should save something, right? Whatever you entered. Save option button. This button is save. I'm changing.
Don't we need to use toolbar here, or I mean,
If you have multiple, it's if you want another button means, then I asked you to use
okay.
the toolbar. Okay,
Yeah.
if you
cancel, here cancel one more button.
yeah, you can use it if you want. Cancel means you will navigate to the previous page. Okay.
And it's here.
Yeah, only thing is that's what if I drag and drop, the spacing will be more if you see. That is the reason I'll ask you to add this through a toolbar. Let's see difference. You might have not seen the difference. In this, what is our flow settings? Employee create. Okay. See the spacing it will take. Okay, so it is better to use a toolbar if you're having a multiple buttons. Okay, come to here. Toolbar, it will automatically arrange. Just drag and drop, just drag and drop this button, just drag and drop this button. That's it. Properties, cancel. If you, I thought to not to add cancel here in other component, but as you requested, I'm adding the cancel button here. Okay, so so what is the next? We have created a form layout. We show this. So what we are going to do actually on save? What should happen?
It will take all the data in a variable and
So to save all this data in a particular variable, what type of variable you will create? You will create each field one variable.
Array.
Get an ADP.
Why ADP? Why
Oh.
you're going to ADP? What is the
Array.
purpose of ADP?
Okay, you meant to say the SDP to post the data into a table, right? The business object.
So what type of operation we are doing here? Which operation we will perform finally?
Post.
Post.
Okay, post, you are correct. And in post, how many records we are posting with this?
One record. So array.
We are posting one record. Then why the ADP concept came and SDP concept came?
So we need to create an object similar with the names of the.
Correct. So that is what I'm expecting. Okay, you have to be think like what type of variable. So I would like to create a variable of object. What should be the type?
Array.